Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Never Let a Dinosaur Scribble. So last time I read a book called Never Let a Unicorn Scribble, but now let's see what it's about to be for a dinosaur scribble. Recently got a pet dinosaur. I know it's hard to believe, but it's true. And everyone keeps telling me, never let a dinosaur scribble. Why would I even say such a thing? I mean, dinosaurs are so strong and powerful, so why can't they scribble? I thought if I gave him just one crayon, what could go wrong? Well, I'll tell you. He took off running toward the wall. Wait, we don't scribble on the walls, only on paper, I yelled. Thank goodness my dinosaur has a short attention span. Just before he was going to scribble on the wall, he noticed a couple of stones instead. He started to scribble on one of the stones, which was great, but there was just one problem. He couldn't really see the scribble at all. I could tell he had another idea. He went to grab the paint. This wasn't going to end well. Surprisingly, it didn't make a big mess of paint, I thought. He just quietly painted the little stone and it turned out awesome. But he got another idea. He wanted to paint dinosaur-sized stones. It didn't take long before he was rolling boulders into the room, one after another. It had become the biggest rock pile I had ever seen. And the way he painted the rocks was truly extraordinary. But you couldn't see my floor or my bed anymore. I had to find a place for this rock pile, and quick. Then I heard a noise down the hall. This was it. I was going to be in so much trouble. I popped my head out of the door. My mom was standing right there. Before my mom could say anything, I started to explain the mess she was about to see. Well, it all started out when I heard never to let a dinosaur scribble, but I had to find out why. So I gave my dinosaur a crayon and then ran toward the wall with it. Thank goodness he got distracted with some small little stones, then started scribbling them instead. But he couldn't see the scribble up, so he got some paint. He loved it so much that he got bigger stones, giant ones, and even made a bigger mess. I'm sorry. My mom peeked around the corner and smiled. You didn't make a mess. You made some spectacular stone art. When I turned around, there was just a little pile of stones on my table. No huge boulders and no gigantic rock pile, but still some of the best art ever. All this time, people wanted to stop dinosaurs from scribbling. It could be because they tried to draw on the walls or make a gigantic rock pile, but if my dinosaur had never scribbled, he would have never learned how to make this amazing stone art. So the next time you hear Never Let a Dinosaur Scribble, just remember all great art starts with a scribble. Even dinosaurs have to start somewhere. The end. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!